Okay, today we are talking about washing machine maintenance. So this is a picture of washer maintenance tasks for a high efficiency Kenmore top load washer. Starting at the top, you can see the water inlet hoses. They recommend replacing those inlet hoses after 5 years of use to reduce the risk of hose failure. And you want to periodically inspect your water inlet hoses, both hot and cold. Washer care. If you have a HE washing machine, ideally you always want to use HE detergents. And then if you leave the lid open when it's not in use, then that'll help it air out and reduce the chance of unpleasant odors developing inside the washing machine. You want to clean your top load washer as well as front load washers on a regular basis. They usually have a self-cleaning option or a self-cleaning button. Clean the inside of the washer, so wipe it out really well. Any accumulated dirt or grime. And the self-cleaning cycle, basically usually what you'll see is you'll put a little bit of bleach into the washing machine, hit the self-cleaning cycle, and it'll clean and disinfect the inside of the washer and make it smell nice and clean again. Wipe down the outside of it. If it's going to be turned off or not used for a long period of time, it's recommended that you turn off the hot and cold shut-off valves. So just in case something happens while you're gone on vacation, you don't have to worry about coming back and have a flooded house because a hose burst while you were gone. And ideally, if you can unplug it, that's also a good idea. In regards to front load washers, you see in this image, it has a drain filter, and they're generally somewhere on the bottom front area of a front load washer. And you can see in this one, the individual had children. They had a lot of small debris get into that screen and clog it up. So you always want to check those on a regular basis. Just have some old towels you put down on the ground because there will be some residual water that comes out. And in regards to front load washers, we want to make sure we clean the door seals. Those can harbor bacteria and grime and debris. And here's sort of a simple procedure for cleaning the door diaphragm / door seals. Remove any foreign substances. Wipe them down using a little bit of liquid chlorine bleach and warm tap water. Make sure you wear gloves when you do this to protect your skin. And then wipe down the area thoroughly with the dry cloth and let the washer interior air dry with the door open. But your specific washing machine, you want to refer to your manufacturer's maintenance instructions for proper care of your washing machine. In regards to older top-load washing machines, the Agitator, some of them unscrew and have a lint screen or a debris screen built into them like you see here. Generally, these will have slots in the Agitator as you see, so that's kind of a dead giveaway that you probably have a screen in there that needs to be unscrewed and cleaned out. Newer washers have what they call a self-cleaning drain pump, where they're supposed to keep themselves clean. Where you don't have a filter, you need to clean out of the drain line. If you have a dispensing drawer, dispensing tray like this or something similar, these usually can come out and can be cleaned because they can start to harbor debris and built up detergent and grime. So keep those dispensing drawers clean as well. And here's a close-up view. This is again a Kenmore high efficiency top load washer, and you can see in the red square it says clean washer. So again, you'd put a little bit of bleach in the wash tub, turn the dial to clean washer, hit the start button, and it'll go through its cleaning cycle. If your washer is not filling up, or the water flow is weak, or clothes seem to not be getting clean, check the inline filter screens on the hot and cold water inlets on the back of your washing machine on the hoses. So there's different types, but usually if you use a pair of needle nose pliers, you can gently unscrew them or shimmy them out and clean them or replace them. Especially if you live somewhere where you have a lot of hard water, a lot of mineral deposits in your water, it can clog up that screen over time. So something to keep in mind. And water hammer arresters. So if you notice when your washing machine operates, if you hear water hammer, like a loud noise or a bang in the water pipes, that's because that electronic solenoid valve on the washing machine, when it closes very fast. And that creates water hammer in the pipes. So by installing these water hammer arresters, that can reduce or eliminate the water hammer on your pipes in your house. Water hammer arresters can wear out over time, over the years, so you may need to replace them if you already have these installed and you're noticing a water hammer noise coming from your water pipes when the washing machine is running. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.